Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. TGIF. Janet Jekyll Bates here. This is going to be short and sweet. Welcome to your weekly workshop update. I am your lovely hostess with the mostest, Jen Kravasi. Got to get rigged and ready, heading out to a tournament. If you guys are local to the Ozarks and you want to catch a really, really good benefit, this is the Cast for Kids, held on Easter weekend. There's still some slots available. I think the blast off is tomorrow morning. I believe between 6:30 and 7 o'clock in the morning. So hope to see you guys out there. If you guys are local, come look me up. These are cool. Love them. This is pressed from the pre-wrap wigglewort. Have not come up with a name for this yet. What do you guys think? Why don't you guys help me name it? Leave your comments below. Tell me what I should name. Obviously it's a crawl pattern. What do y'all think? Tell me what to name it. We've got, let's see, this is a 2.5 square bill. Let's get this under the light here. It's got that light burnt umber on top, gray-green, going down to that beautiful red on the bottom in the shell pattern. Perfect this time of year. They're starting to hit crankbaits around the Ozarks, so Lake Norfork. All hail the Night King. If you guys are Game of Thrones fans, this is my specialty line. You can find it at www.jekyllbaits.com. This is a special order. It's going to be heading out. We're only doing 200 of these total. This is number 127. Got that blue-eyed Night King. Pretty neat bait. Popper season, topwater season, wake bait season, all of that stuff is getting ready to fire off. If you are south of the Mason-Dixon line, it's coming. They're already hitting topwater in some places. So this is the custom crappie wake bait with that hand-tied feather treble on the back in chartreuse and white. And then this is the Jekyll Champagne IU. Also with hand-tied feather treble. Always try and match that up with the color of the bait. More warts. This is the maroon craw. It's got that moss green, black eyes, plum on top, maroon, into a very dark maroon fade with very thin lines. These colors are on fire this time of year. Last but certainly not least, the Hamilton craw. These were built for a really, not for, but in the spirit of an acquaintance of mine across the pond, Ireland and London, Andy Hamilton. This is the Hamilton craw. He is an amazing illustrator and artist in his own right. Him and his wife Inga are phenomenal artists. And then we've got, I'll get this under the light for you. This is that red veining that I love to do on craw patterns. And this is in a Dinger Little John. It's got that plum purple underneath. Reflective eyes. And then we did an emerald craw. Also very cool. It's got a little bit of dark blue. And these are in Wicked colors. So Createx has a Wicked line. If you guys are into airbrushing and you want to know more, leave me a comment below. I do answer questions. I get them and I answer them as soon as I can. This time of year, actually pretty much all summer long, we're slammed here at the workshop, but I do my best, my absolute best to answer y'all's questions. Try and put that stuff up in short order. So there you all. Have a great weekend. Thanks for hanging out with us. Happy casting from Jekyll Baits.